What is up, you guys? Nathan with Bark Life here. Today we're going to be talking about something I actually got out of a RC lot I bought. So there was this guy posted on Marketplace, hey, I have all these RCs, looking to get rid of them. Got them from a state. And I love buying lots of RCs. If you guys have followed the channel for any length of time, we've had hundreds of RCs on the channel. Usually it's old Nitros and Traxxas and, 90s, couple 80s things, some old RC10s and such. But this lot had a lot of stuff from the 80s. I'm not as familiar with those because that was before my time. But one of them was this monster truck, and I couldn't resist. I was like, I have to figure out what that is. That is super cool looking, the way the suspension works. And not only that, it's four-wheel steering, and it's called the MRP High Roller. So very sought after truck. I'm familiar with like the Clodbuster and all those, but yeah, this was apparently like the granddaddy to the RC monster truck. But yeah, the four-wheel steering is so cool. This one is missing the center differential, but from what I gather, a lot of these parts, the suspension, the rear differential, front differential, all that's super hard to come by. Transmission's hard to come by too, but there is, good news. The tires are in great shape. Wheels are super cool. Tires aren't cracked out, which for 1980s is insane. But yeah, they say MRP Terra on them, which is the originals. And this one actually has a tribute on the back of it. Oh, can I get it? Can I get it with the light? Let's see. Camera focus. Anyways, so someone at MRP, this is a thank you to them. Ross Rainville. And then actually the truck was sponsored. So yeah, these were a big deal, guys. I didn't know much about them, and I'm sure someone on here does know a whole bunch about them. But yeah, I don't need another project, unfortunately, but I'm doing some research on it, and I think I'm probably going to end up listing this because I know someone out there is going to be super excited, reliving their childhood, and it's just something above and beyond what I would be available time-wise to restore. So it needs the center differential, which will connect these pieces and all that, but yeah, it's super neat. I'll show you guys the electronics on it. So you pop the top off, and the pan's in amazing condition. When I was looking online, everybody's pan's cracked or chipped, and this one is perfect. Got the little guy there, pull that off, and then inside you have the two servos, front steering, and then you have the rear steering servo, and then typically underneath you have where the motor would mount, and then the differential and all that bolts to. Here is the motor plate, but yeah, that center differential is not there, which is kind of a bummer. All the other differentials work great though. You can feel the gears super smooth. If you look at the shaft, it's spins and super smooth front and back. These things actually could float, you guys, so you can drive them on water. The tires are enough air to keep it up. But yeah, let me know if you guys know something about these, or if you have any details to add, because I'd love to learn more. It's super cool what I've researched so far. Lots of updates on the MR2 coming. We have some exciting news on that, but for now, MRP High Roller. Pretty cool, guys.